Am I past that part in quarantine where I can have an emotional breakdown and shave my head and be a bald baddie? Who am I kidding? I could never do that. I could never shave my head. Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida. Welcome back to my channel. So I am back in the bathroom. So you know what that means, we're doing a hair video. So today's hair video is, I'm not reviewing anything. Today's hair video is honestly me taking care of my hair because this is, oh boy. So I am quite a few months post relaxer. Let's see, last relaxer was in March, St. Patrick's Day to be exact. So we've got April, we've got May, June, and now it is July. I am 4 months post relaxer, and it's time for another relaxer, but that's not happening tonight. Tonight I am going to just be washing and giving my hair a quick deep condition. I was thinking about doing the Teen Honey Miracle hair mask, but I don't know for sure because this does require me to like put it on and then sit with it, and it's 8:28 right now, and I honestly just want to wash this and dry it and call it a day. So as we can see, we're getting a lot of volume up here at the roots. This is, my roots are, this new growth is intense. I'm gonna come a little closer so you guys can see it. You see that? That's all my new growth. I think from looking at my roots, at least how they are now, I think I would be like 4A, 3B, 4A curls if I let this grow out. When they're wet, they look more 3B, 4A, 3C, or is it 3C? Girl, I don't even know. I'm relaxed. I don't know the curl patterns. I don't like, I looked up the chart and it's so hard to tell because like the chart shows you people who, like, each chart differs, okay? There are some charts that are like, yeah, you're like 4B, 4C, and then there are other charts that are like, yeah, you're 4A, 3C, maybe a little bit of 3B in here, and everybody on the chart looks different. So I'm just like, who do I trust? So yeah, I think, yeah, that's my current dilemma. Who do I trust? But I will say, in dealing with my grown out roots, this just solidifies that I will not be going natural anytime soon. This shit is so thick. Like, my mom did me a great favor by relaxing my hair when she did, because who was gonna handle this? So, I mean, my hair, even after relaxer, still retains its thickness. So yeah, but these roots are intense. So I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna detangle my hair because that's the first step before I wash it, is I'm gonna detangle it. I'm gonna be deep conditioning today. I'm gonna be deep conditioning today with the 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner by Aussie. I've used this one other time and it actually felt really good, but I hadn't come back on a wash day. The next time I wash my hair, I used the Teen Honey Miracle hair mask. I'll leave eyes above for both of those videos because I did talk about both these products. So yeah, today I'm just trying to get this done quick. I'm trying to wash the hair, deep condition, dry, and go about my business. So I'm just going to detangle. So currently, this lower part of my hair is pretty, I was about to say pretty detangled, but it's only mildly detangled. Oh, I went up too fast. Oh my God. Anybody break combs? Anybody break combs? I used to break a lot of combs growing up, pre-relax and after relax. Yeah, I broke a lot of combs. It also does not help. I haven't combed my hair in a couple days. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Well, I'm saying sorry to y'all. I'm sorry to myself. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to me that I did this. And you know, I said it in like a video like 2 weeks back that I wasn't gonna do this anymore, and I did. I did it. Y'all, the tangle. This is, I feel like this is all just one big tangle on one side of my head. Why do I do this to myself? This is what happens when you can't go nowhere. This is what happens to extroverts when they can't go anywhere. They lose the will to do to look good for themselves. Am I past that part in quarantine where I can have an emotional breakdown and shave my head and be a bald baddie? Who am I kidding? I could never do that. I could never shave my head. Well, now that I am bald, look at this. Oh my God, why do I do this to myself? Oh man, and I had, this is all the shedding I've gotten. Yeah, that's a lot of shedding, and I know my scalp is probably dry. Oh man. And a lot of like, in the back of my head still feels like it has not been fully detangled. Hopefully I didn't wait too long, and when I do relax this, I still have some hair left on my head. Cause one time I waited, I think it was like 6 months was my stretch, and like a chunk of hair, a chunk of hair fell out of my head into the shower as I was rinsing, and I was just like, I messed up. So I'm gonna wash, and then I'm gonna come back on camera and put the deep conditioner in my hair. This wash is gonna feel so good. My scalp feels kind of dry. I know I've got product buildup on my scalp from like my oil and my cream moisturizer. This was long overdue. This was long overdue. So, my roots feel so curly now that they have been wet and washed. Scalp feels super good. I use my regular shampoo and conditioner in the shower, which is the Pantene Truly Relaxed shampoo and conditioner. And now I'm gonna go in with the Aussie 3-minute deep condition. after my deep condition, now I'm just going to be adding my argan oil of Morocco, penetrating oil to my hair, and then my heat protectant, and then I'm gonna blow dry. For heat protectant, I'm using my Chi 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. For when I blow dry, I'm going to be using the PCJ Pretty and Silky Wet and Easy Detangling Spray. And also the PCJ Pretty and Silky Cream Oil Moisturizer Lotion. I'm going to be using those to detangle and then blow dry. I'll be back. All right, hair is dry. I don't think I need to put anything else on my scalp because it's like feeling like super moisturized. That's what I love about that deep conditioner by Aussie. Like, it just leaves my hair feeling like super moisturized. As you guys know, this isn't flat iron, this is just blown out, just blow dried, and I'm gonna leave it like this until my relaxer, which will be, I think, in August, like around my birthday in August. And that's it. Yeah, this video was just me doing what I need to do, taking care of my hair. I need to stop waiting 3 days before I comb it because getting the amount of shedding that I did today was quite jarring, and I'm like, stop doing that, stop doing it. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, I am uploading every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday at 7 p. EST and Saturday at 3:30 p. EST. Hit the bell down below so that will take all of the guesswork, either whether I uploaded or I didn't upload. It'll just let you know. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.